In this video, I want to show you how to use some of the formulas that already exist. So one of the steps asks you to move this over to the A2, and then using the now function, it will automatically put in your system date, right? Your computer's date into this field. So that's one of the formulas that already exists for you. There are so many, right? So you should, at this point, have used some of the ones here. Sum, average, count. Remember what I said. These are here because they are the most commonly used. You can find all of the formulas here on this tab. So notice that here's your function library, and they're all grouped by tag. So you'll have, by type rather. So you'll have the function, the financial, the logical. So click on logical. We use these a lot. If sum if is also in this category, ands, nots, etc. Text. So you can do perform different tasks with your text. Date and time, lookup and reference, math and trig, which of course we use quite a bit. And then just some that don't fall into these categories quite as neatly. But the now function has to do with date and time. So just go look and see, and there you'll find it right there. So let's go ahead and do as asked. So they want us to cut this out of here and paste it here instead, and now put the now function here. So there's a couple different ways to do this. If you know your category, you can go right in here, grab the now function, and click OK. And it's done. It puts in today's date. The other thing you can do is right here, if you click on this insert function, right, you can find it in a whole list here. And again, it's got the categories or it has all. And if you click in here and you type in an N, it'll bring you down to the ends alphabetically. Right, and you'll find now right there. This function takes no arguments. That means that nothing goes inside the parentheses, right? It's just going to return the current date and time. So click OK, and so there you go. So not all functions work just like that. Some of them do take information inside, and we'll see a couple samples of that with the if statement and with a sum if.